TR here. I've created a video regarding the alternative assignment to the budgeting app assignment. So if we scroll down the content page, you will see the alternative assignment. Step 1. Set a financial goal and create a monthly budget. Our expectation is that you will use the spreadsheet that we've provided. This is the link. The spreadsheet will look like this, and I am strongly advising you to create your own personalized budget plan. Going back to the content. Step 2 is creating and sharing your review. You write a written review or you create a YouTube review communicating the following information. It is critical that you include all 6 points with substantial information. Now, for some of you, you find great value in the template. So I've created a template, and this is the link for the template, and the template will look like this. Again, this template, what it does is it provides excellent organization for you so that you're not going to miss any points and lose marks, as well as it gives you an indication of how much information you need to provide. Back to the page. Some students decide not to use the template. Now if you do, make sure you copy and paste these questions / points and follow them with your answer. Space out the questions and answers so you don't clump the information together. By clumping, what I mean is submitting one paragraph with no spaces for 6 separate items. Submit your assignment to the spreadsheet and your written review in the assignment submission folders, which is this link up here, and you will find the alternative budgeting assignment folder in that tab. Step 3, thoughtful reply. Reply to one other student with a thoughtful reply. Please review the announcement on thoughtful replies. It's pretty clear that we have an expectation of how we expect you to respond to another student. To do that, you need to go to the Discussions tab and then locate the thread regarding budgeting that we have created for you. Finally, the rubric. This is the link, and the rubric will look like this. If you do not see this complete field, then you need to go to the web layout in the corner here, and that will give you this complete window. An excellent tool to help you complete the assignment. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to let me know what you need, and I will do my best to help you. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye now.